Welcome to Wisdom Thoughts. In this video we will talk about shocking truth about turmeric use. Turmeric is hailed as one of the most powerful healing spices on earth. But what if I told you? Mixing it with the wrong foods could make it completely useless. Or even harmful to your health. Yes, most people are unknowingly making this mistake every single day. In this video, I'll expose the top 5 foods you should never mix with turmeric, and the shocking reasons why. Stay till the end, because the most common mistake might be happening in your kitchen right now. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting effects. But curcumin has low absorption, so combining it properly is crucial. Foods to never mix with turmeric. Number 1. Milk with turmeric. Many people drink turmeric milk, but dairy, especially pasteurized milk, can block curcumin absorption due to casein protein. It may neutralize turmeric's antioxidant effect. Instead, you should use plant-based milk like almond or coconut milk with a pinch of black pepper. Number 2. Spicy chili peppers. Combining turmeric with hot chilies may irritate the stomach lining. For people with ulcers, GERD, or gastritis, this combo can worsen symptoms. Instead, you should pair turmeric with mild spices like cinnamon or ginger. Number 3. Acidic fruits, like lemon, oranges. Vitamin C is powerful, but mixing with turmeric may lead to digestive issues in sensitive individuals. The acidity can also reduce the alkaline balance turmeric tries to support. Here is tip for you. Take turmeric separately from citrus or wait 30 minutes between. Number 4. Green tea. Both are healthy, but green tea's tannins may bind with curcumin, making it less bioavailable. Also may cause nausea when taken together on an empty stomach. But it is better to have turmeric with warm water and pepper, or use it in cooking. Number 5. Raw garlic. Garlic and turmeric are strong detoxifiers. Together in high amounts, they may overstimulate your liver or digestive tract, causing discomfort. Instead, use both in moderation and cooked recipes. The right way to take turmeric. You can combine turmeric with black pepper, boosts absorption by 2000%. Healthy fats, like coconut oil or ghee. Warm water or herbal teas. Best when added to soups, stews, golden milk, or turmeric tea. Turmeric is powerful, but only if used wisely. Avoid mixing it with milk, citrus, chilies, green tea, and raw garlic in excess. Have you been combining turmeric with any of these? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more natural health videos and remedies every week.